Hello. So what I'm going to demonstrate here is a traffic light controller. To do that, let's first look at this diagram. And what we see here is a traffic light, a diagram for it. And what we're supposed to notice is that this traffic light stays at green for 5 cycles. So cycle 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And at the end of the 5th cycle, it checks to see if there's a car waiting. If there's a car waiting, then it's going to go to yellow for 2 cycles, and to red, and back to green. But if there's no car waiting, it's going to go back to green, and going to repeat that process. But at any point in time, if there's an emergency vehicle coming along, it's going to go straight to yellow for 1 cycle of yellow, and down to red, 3 cycles, until this emergency vehicle has left. And after it has left, it's going to go back to green. So let's demonstrate that in a circuit. Alright. Okay. So in this circuit, really all you have to remember is this first 4 light bulbs represent the state number in binary code. And in this set of light bulbs, light bulb number 2, 3, and 4 represent red, green, and yellow respectively. So as of right now, we see that green is turned on at state 0 because none of these first 4 light bulbs are turned on. So green at state 0. So let's just say we're cycling through these states. So it's not state 1, state 2, state 3. Oh yeah, there's no emergency vehicle coming along, and car waiting is turned off. So there's no car waiting or no emergency vehicle. So we're just cycling through. It's always going to stay green. Green, 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 green. Anyway, as we're cycling through, a car comes up to the intersection and it's not waiting to pass. So we're going to turn on car waiting. Car is not waiting, and at the end of the 5th cycle, it's going to go to yellow to let the car through. And the red, 3 cycles of red, and back to green after that car is left. And car waiting is still on because there's another car waiting. So yellow, red, and green. Okay, say there's no more car waiting. Or actually, let's just say that there is a car waiting, but an emergency vehicle comes along. And as soon as this emergency vehicle comes along, it went straight to the yellow and red. And notice how it's going to stay at red until this emergency vehicle has left. So no matter how many times I cycle through it, it's staying at that same state, and it's always red. So emergency vehicle has left. And we went back to state 0 at green. Yep, that's it.